Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the Aohi MagCube 65W. This comes with the USB-C to USB-C braided cable, but today we're showing the Magline Plus cable. This is extra. It's USB-C to Lightning, so we have it plugged into the MagCube right here for 65 watts. That's very small. So we have the green light, that means it's ready to start charging. Here's the lightning cable right here. We're going to plug it into this iPhone Pro Max, and there we go. It's starting to charge. The phone is now booting up. There we go. It's booting. And as you can see, the light changed from blue and green, so that means it's starting to charge the phone. And these lights up here will change based on what's happening with the charger. So the phone is now ready to go and charging. And this is the new Magline Plus and MagCube 65W for all of your iPhones, and you can use this with your Android devices too with that cable included. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.